Hello everyone, welcome to Pushpa Notes channel. My name is Pushpa. Are you bored of reading a textbook and are looking for a new way to practice reading Kannada? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm reading the words to a poem Ivale Veena Paani written by R.N.Jayagopal. This is a poem describing Goddess Saraswathi. At the end of this video, you'll be able to admire Mr. R.N.Jayagopal's talent and command of the Kannada language to be able to write such an impressive piece of literature. I welcome you to read along with me and practice with me. By reading along with me, you will become familiar with new words, you'll improve your reading skills, you'll improve your pronunciation skills, you'll also improve your listening skills, and most important of all, you'll be able to enjoy brilliant literature. The first step will focus only on being able to read the words correctly. We'll get to the meanings a little bit later. If a word is in a different color, that means you have to pay close attention to the pronunciation. The words may look the same, but the pronunciations are different. Let's get started. Ivale Veena Paani Vaani Tunga Tira Viharini Shrungeri Puravasini. Ivale Veena Paani Vaani Tunga Tira Viharini Shrungeri Puravasini. Sharada Mate Mangaladate Sura Samsevite Parama Punite. Sharada Mate Mangaladate Sura Samsevite Parama Punite. When you're saying the Mangala Dhate, there's an urge to say it as Mangala Dhate, which is the Mahaprana Dha. That will become incorrect. So pay close attention to the alphabets as you're reading. That's why I said it'll improve your pronunciation skills as well. Varijasana Hridaya Virajite. Varijasana Hridaya Virajite Narada Janani Sujana Samprite. Let's read it again. Sharada Mate Mangala Date Sura Samsevite Parama Punite. Varijasana Hridaya Virajite Narada Janani Sujana Samprite. It's very simple once you begin to remember the words and the alphabets. Adi Shankara Archite Madhure Nada Priye Navamani Maya Hare. Adi Shankara Archite Madhure Nada Priye Navamani Maya Hare. Veda Akhila Shastra Agama Sare. Veda Akhila Shastra Agama Sare. Vidyadayini Yoga Vichare. Even when you're saying Vidyadayini, there is an urge to say Vidyadayini. So this is the ni and this is the ni. So you have to pay close attention to the pronunciation. Let's do that again. Adi Shankara Archite Madhure Nada Priye Navamani Maya Hare. Veda Akhila Shastra Agama Sare. Vidya Dayini Yoga Vichare. Now let's look at the meanings. Now let's understand the meaning of this piece of literature. Once you understand the meaning, you'll be able to appreciate the brilliant composition of this piece of literature. This particular poem teaches us how to write praises of someone we love. Ivale Veena Paani. Paani means someone who holds. What is she holding? A veene. Ivale Veena Paani. This is someone who's holding a veene. Vani Tunga Tira Viharini. Someone whose presence is felt on the banks of the river Tunga. Have you heard of the river Tungabhadra? That runs in India. That is the river. Tunga Tira Viharini Sringeri Puravasini. She's someone who resides in Sringeri. Sharada Mate Mangala Date. Mother Sharade Surasam Sevite Parama Punite. Mother Sharade, she represents purity, auspiciousness and reverence. Varijasana Hridaya Virajite. Varijasana is another name for Brahma. Saraswati, Goddess Saraswati, is the wife of Lord Brahma. And that's why she resides in Brahma's heart. Varijasana Hridaya Virajite. Virajite means someone who resides. Where? In the Hridaya. Narada Janani Sujana Samprite. She's the mother of Narada, the Narada Muni, the Saint Narada. She is present among excellent people. Adi Shankara Archite Madhure. Archite means you praise someone. So Adi Shankara Archite Madhure means Shankaracharya wrote many melodious songs in her praise. Nada Priye Navamani Maya Hare. Goddess Saraswati is the source of music and all the 9 musical notes are her jewels. Veda Akhila Shastra Agama Sare. She is the source of Vedas and Shastras. Vidya Daini Yoga Vichare. She grants knowledge and wisdom to whoever seeks it with sincerity and devotion. Now that you understand the meaning, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy this song the next time you hear it. Thank you for watching this video and spending your time with me. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.